In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to charge your 8BitDo Ultimate 2 controller right here, as you can see. So to be able to charge it, you should be able to actually have this docking station here for it when you bought your 8BitDo controller. So the only thing that you need to do is to, of course, power on the, I have powered it on right here, as you can see, the docking station. And I have it connected to this charger right here. So this makes it active basically. And then what I did after that is that I just took my controller here, inserted it into the docking station, and you will be able to see a red light blinking. So this red light blinking indicates that it's actually charging right now. Look, if I remove it, the light is now turned off. Now the light is turned on once again. So this is the easiest way to charge it, in my opinion. You could actually charge it without the docking station if you just have one of this. This is a USB-C cable, I think it's called. You could charge it without, just by inserting it right here, but it might take you a bit longer to charge it, just so you know. Not sure if this is actually the best way to go forward, to be honest, because you can see the red light is blinking here as well. I'm not sure if this is gonna hurt the controller in any way. Probably not, but I don't know, to be completely honest with you. I think the best way is to use this docking station if you have one, but basically this is exactly how to actually charge it.